Guys, it's finally here. The thing we've been cooking for you for the last couple weeks is finally ready, and it will go off at the end of January. So I will share all the details during this live stream. So first of all, you were constantly asking us about buying a property, getting a mortgage as an expat in the Czech Republic, and different options if you're employed, self-employed, and different variations. And we've never really had an answer for that because it's a pretty complex topic and we never offered that as a service. But since we've been receiving plenty of questions like that, we decided to partner up with an expert in this field who sold plenty of properties to expats in the Czech Republic through like cash or mortgages or whatever. And we've started creating content for you. We've written some articles and we've shot some videos. But now at the end of January, exactly on the 31st of January at 17:30, 5:30 Prague time, we'll do a live session with him. We'll do live Q&As, or it will be an interview where me and Daria, as co-owners of Move to Prague, will be asking questions to these experts in expats financing and expats mortgages and buying a property as an expat in general. And we will answer all the most common questions and also the questions you will be able to ask during the live stream. I'm just moving the mic here, so it's hopefully better. So all the information, 31st of January, 17:30, but it will not be on my channel. It will be on the official channel of Move to Prague Relocation Experts, and I will share a link directly to the live stream. It's already been created, the event, so I will share it when I finish the live stream. It will be in the description of the video. So make sure that you save it, that you follow Move to Prague, and that you have this date saved in case you are thinking about getting a mortgage in the Czech Republic or buying a property, or you just want to know a bit more. I will give you a sneak peek of what kind of questions we will be asking the expert, so you have an idea of what will be all about. These questions are also listed on our website. We've already written an article about that, so I will share the link to that in the description of the video as well after I finish the live stream. But just to give you an idea of what we'll be talking there about. It will be quite a long live stream. We expect it to be somewhere between 40 minutes to 1 hour, where part of it will be the most common questions and the questions you asked previously, because I did another live stream where I ask you what you would be interested about, like what's from this topic, like mortgages or buying a property, what are the questions you would like to get answered. So part of that will be that as well, but we will always be mixing it up with like live Q&As sessions during the live stream. So we expect it to be around like 40 to 60 minutes long, and we'll have a professional lights, we'll have professional like equipment, so it should be way better quality than what I usually do. So yeah, looking forward, and hopefully many of you will join. So just to give you a couple examples of what questions will be answering during the live stream, or actually the expert will be answering, not us. How much in advance you should start preparing to get a mortgage, and what kind of documents or what will be needed to get a mortgage. How much of a down payment do you need to get mortgage in the Czech Republic? So how much money you need to pay in advance to get a mortgage? Can only employees get mortgage, or freelancers as well? That was pretty common question, because many of our clients are actually freelancers under the živno, the trade license. So they were asking if they could get mortgages as well, or if it's only reserved for employees or permanent residence holders. Do I have to have income from the Czech Republic only to get a mortgage? That's also pretty common, that people have incomes from all around the world and they would like to buy a property here. So how it works will be answered there as well. What can I do in long term to increase my chances of getting mortgage in the Czech Republic? That means how you can behave during your life if you know that in a year, 2, 5, whatever, you will be willing to get a mortgage. So what are the things you can do? What are the steps you should take or you should not take to increase your chances of getting the mortgage somewhere in the future? How much money can I borrow using a mortgage in the Czech Republic? How long is the processing of mortgage in the Czech Republic? Can I pay off the mortgage sooner than contracted? That's also pretty common. If you get to some bigger amount of money, if you can actually pay everything, or if you have to stick to the 20 years or whatever was the fixation or the duration of the mortgage. You see why I'm not the expert answering those questions. What does fixation or maturity mean in the Czech mortgage jargon? Or what type of residence permit do I need to get a mortgage in the Czech Republic? So often people ask us if you need to have like a permanent residence permit, or if you can get a mortgage as a long-term residence permit holder or just a visa holder. So that will be answered there as well. Can I refinance my mortgage during the fixation period? Can I sell the property before the mortgage is paid off? That's also pretty important because the mortgage is usually for like 20 years, 25 years, 30 years, whatever. So can you sell it during that time? I'm also interested to know the answer. And is it better to wait for the interest rates to go lower? That's quite a big topic because the interest rates has been pretty high during the last couple months or years. So now this is a common question. If I should wait before I buy a property, or if it doesn't matter, or what is the prediction? So that will be all answered in the live stream as well. And the last one for now, what is the difference between private and like cooperative ownership, and how is it related to mortgage? That was actually a question from one of you who wanted to know, like, if you want to buy a property in a private ownership or if it's owned by a housing cooperative, how does it influence the mortgage? And that's actually, I think that influences it a lot. So that will be answered during the live Q&A session or interview session as well. So one more time, 31st of January, 5:30 Prague time, 17:30 Prague time. There will be a big live stream where me and Daria, as co-owners and co-founders of Move to Prague Relocation Experts, will be having an interview and asking these questions and more to an expert who sold plenty of properties to expats living in the Czech Republic, and who will give us all his knowledge about this topic. So we'll be answering the questions I've just read, and there will be also space for your questions during the live stream. And it will not be on my channel, it will be on the official Move to Prague channel. And when I finish the live stream now, I will share the link to the live stream already, because the event has been created. So there is the countdown and everything. And I will also share a link to this article where we list the questions. So you can go there, you can check the questions to see if it's something you're looking for. You can also comment a question either here under this video or under the article, and we will also read it, and we might also incorporate it into the live stream, because the point is to answer all the questions you have and to give you all the advice we can. That's why we also brought the expert in, because we have some general knowledge, but we're not experts in mortgages or buying properties. We're experts in immigration, we're experts in renting properties, we're experts in health insurance, but not in mortgages, because that's completely different like field of business. And you need to have completely different sets of knowledge and experience. And this person will be interviewing has it. So that's why we interview him. And that's why it's a bit bigger than my live stream or the live streams we've done on Move to Prague as well. So guys, hopefully see you there at the end of January, 31st of January, 17:30, Move to Prague official channel. All the links will be in the description of the video. Thank you very much. Looking forward, and see you there. Bye-bye, guys. Good night.